A very good morning to all my beautiful children. So, I hope and I wish all my children are happy and safe. Okay, so all of you ready for the class? Ready? Very nice. Okay, now be ready for the class. So, children, as you know that we are learning which sound? Sound. Yes, children. We are learning sound. Okay? And what are the vocabularies of sound? For rattle. This is rattle. Rattle is a toy for small babies. For rattle. Okay. And the next picture is for ring. Ring. Ring जो हम fingers में पहनते हैं. That is for ring. Okay. And all my people know this is for rat. What is this, children? For rat. Yes. Okay. And this is for rope. Rope. And yesterday, what we had made, children? We had made a beautiful rainbow. Yes, for rainbow with different paints, beautiful paints. So this is for rainbow. Okay. And this is for rose, beautiful flower. For rose. So these are the vocabulary words of sound. Okay, and today we will do coloring in sound picture, and we will learn how to write sound. Yes, children, with small standing line and a small curve. So be ready with your small alphabet, small letters book, your colors and your pencil. Okay, so children, be ready with your alphabet, small letters book and take out page number 8484. Here are some pictures of sound. Yes, here you can see this is sound. Which sound is this, children? Sound. For rooster. For ring. For rat. For rope. For rainbow. Yes? So this is for rainbow. Now turn the page and take out page number 8484. Here is for rocket, for rattle, for road. And what is the rattle? रैटल जिससे छोटे बच्चे छोटे बेबीज को हम लोग एक टॉय देते हैं ना, जिसे हम हिंदी में झुनझुना भी बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज फॉर रैटल. ओके, नाउ टेक आउट योर कलर्स. वी विल डू कलर इन फर्स्ट rocket. Okay, children, you can do any color in rocket. You can make it very colorful. Here I am doing purple color, and now here I am doing blue color. So you also can make the rocket colorful. And around here I am doing red color, and its wings I am doing yellow color. And children, do the coloring very neatly. Yes, here also I am doing yellow color. So R for rocket is ready. Now we will do color in rattle. In rattle also you can do any color. I am doing orange color here. Here orange color, and here I am doing purple color. And children, do the coloring neatly. And inside I am doing here red color. Here red color is done. Now I am taking brown color for its handle. So rattle is a toy for small babies. Now here is road, and here I am doing green color side on the road. Here I am doing, you can do brown color also here, children. Like this. And now I am taking this light green color for the leaves, for the grass. So the green color is done in the grass. Now we will do color in road. And what is the color of road, children? Black color, yes. So we will do black color in road. R for road. So today we have learned, children, R sound. R for rocket, R for rattle, R for road. Now children, take out your pencil and we will trace R sound now. Make a standing line and a small curve here like this. One more time, standing line and a small curve like this for R sound. Now take out page number 86. This is page number 8686, and we will trace the R sound and we will write R sound. Now first of all, look at here, children, in two lines, 1 and 2 lines, we will trace R sound. Small standing line and a small curve. Yes, standing line and a small curve. Small standing line in two lines and then curve. Small curve you have to make for sound. Standing line, small curve. Standing line, small curve. So this is very easy, children, to trace and write sound. In these two lines, 1 and 2 lines, you have to make a small standing line and a small curve. Small standing line, small curve. Yes, children, and you have to write yourself and practice. You can practice on your slate also. Small standing line and small curve. Small standing line, small curve. Small standing line and a small curve. So today we have learned, children, sound. We have coloring in sound pictures, and we have learned sound how to write. So this is your time, children. Please do the work on time and practice every day. So we will meet again tomorrow with new sound, children. Now take care and bye-bye.